Not that this life has gone to Kelly's head or anything.
Hey. Nice.
What are you doing?
Having a massage.
Do you want a strawberry as well?
Yes.
So today's the last day in Hong Kong.
And it's been stressful.
I think meeting you was one of the most unfortunate events of my life.
I know. I've hated every moment of it.
We're going to a place which I cannot get over. It's a temple called the Immortal Wong. That was the Temple of the Immortal Wong. It was busy, really packed, but interesting experience. I think Kelly loved it. Is that him?
I think it might be.
Is that the Immortal Wong? Hey Kelly, that dude's my relative.
Yeah. I thought it was you. I noticed the hair.
Upper Wong Tyson Estate. Wong Tyson Road as well. Did you enjoy my land?
Your land.
You're welcome. So we left the Temple of the Immortal Wong, now we're in a different one. I mean, it's good, it's impressive.
Yeah.
But there's no Immortal Wong.
No. This is pretty immortal though.
It's very different, very different. Restaurant in a waterfall, people just having their dinner. And then there's a waterfall. In a waterfall.
How's that a bad thing?
Scary. Life is the worst. Doesn't quite fit. Kelly, on the other hand, is being smug. You're in your functional coffee holder. Our time in Hong Kong is up. We're now on the aeroplane to Taiwan. Have you enjoyed travelling with me?
Mostly. Mostly, yeah. Yeah, it's fine. I'm learning.
Alright, did you just autofocus my camera?
Yeah.
Did you see that? I'm driving the camera and someone else just autofocused it. It's why we can never be friends. Did you expect a stranger to stick a camera in your face as much as he has?
No, it's been uncomfortable every time.
How would you describe your holiday with me? Uncomfortable.
It's been a little uncomfortable.
I'm glad you've enjoyed it. See you in Taiwan.